In this quick video, I want to show you how you can use Persil Ultra Pacs or just Pacs by Persil. It's fairly simple to do, and it's basically the same way you would do any other packs, whether it's from Gain or pods from Tide, and they're pretty simple to do. So we got our set of laundry, and what you're going to do, this for example is a top loader, but it doesn't matter if you have a bottom loader or whatever that you have. What you're going to do is make sure it's completely empty and nothing's in it. And it depends how much clothing you're going to do. So I want to do it like a medium load. So for one medium load or small load, you only need one pod or pack like this. This is all you need. And what you do is you just toss it in. Now, if you have like a container like this, you do not use a container. So like the reservoir that they'll have like on the top or the sides, no, you do not put them in there. You put them in the actual tub like this, and you do it before you put clothing or towels or whatever that you have in there. All right, so we'll go ahead and put our towels in, and pretty much that's all you need to do. Like I said, this is going to be about a medium load, and of course you can do it with solids or whites, whatever you have. It works just like regular laundry detergent. And if you have fabric softener, you can put the fabric softener in with that, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much all you need to do for the Persil Pacs. And I like the product. It's pretty good, it's reasonable, and I like it better than the gels. All right, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.